Oh,
Yeah,
okay. Good
so
evening
good,
from my side.
yeah, good morning from my side.
I call you Pratna. Is it okay?
Yeah, it's okay.
Okay. Okay, Pratna. So tell me, how was your day?
Yeah, my day was good. It's I think 9:54. So morning time. So yeah, I had my breakfast.
Okay, that's good. That's good.
Yes, I am in my last house. Yes,
You are at your in-laws house.
yeah, village, large house. So
Okay.
yeah, so here means morning. Every morning we have eat together. So yeah, very good.
Okay, that's
Yeah.
great. Or for me, my day is almost over. It's night for me. I was about to sleep, but I don't know how come I missed your message. I did not see. So just now before sleeping, I thought of checking once, and then I saw that, oh, you have given me the message that you will connect me. So I thought of now giving you message. Okay, so let's introduce each other first, isn't it?
Oh,
About yourself first.
my name is Prarthana Sharma. I'm from
Very
Madhya
good.
Pradesh. I
Okay.
had my graduation. I am married. I have two kids. And if I talk about my like and dislikes, so I like talking to people.
Oh, that's
Means
great.
yeah, means whenever get free time, so I try to talk my every family member and my friends, and I don't like if anyone say a lie to me. So I
Anybody tells you what?
uh-huh.
What did you say just now? You don't like?
If anyone say lie,
Okay, 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 okay. That's really, I don't think anybody loves to listen that. Yes? Yes, that's good.
I like think I am
Your,
just a like person. Yeah,
okay,
that's all
kids
about.
are, your kids are school going?
Yeah, they both are school going, but nowadays I am in village, so I take leave. I took leave from their
Oh,
school.
they can
Yeah.
leave. All right, all right. So apart from YouTube channel, anything else are you doing at present?
No, I am just house manager. I am preparing my house
Okay.
only. Yeah.
That's the biggest task, I think.
Yeah.
Okay,
Because
so
they
yeah,
are very little. Yeah, it's difficult for go outside work do. Yeah.
actually, you're all, I think.
So I want to know about you.
Yeah, my name is Manju Mishra.
Mhm.
I'm from India,
Mhm.
Uttar Pradesh, Lucknow.
Wow, that's very good.
Okay. And as far as my education concerned, I have done my post graduation in sociology.
Hmm.
And for last 31 years, I have been teaching in a convent school.
Wow.
Recently, I took retirement.
Mhm.
So now I want to get to know the other people, to make some new friends, and very especially to remain connected with my passion. I started my YouTube channel recently, and I'm working on that. My
Mhm.
YouTube channel's name is actually Grammar with Manju Ma'am. So I started with grammar. But when I saw your channel and some other people's channel, I thought of connecting to each other is even more interesting.
Yeah, it's very good. Yeah.
Yes, we can make more friends, and very especially it's a kind of no entertainment.
Entertainment. And yeah, while talking enjoy a lot. And whenever we talk so we make lots of friend.
That's the thing. That's the thing. And especially after retirement, you people have so many things to do. Your kids are small. For me, I have my husband, my two children. My both the children are settled. So now me and my husband, both of us live in Lucknow. At present, for past 3 months, I have been here in Canada with my son. So in a few days, I'll be going back to India again. So that's the reason I was getting it very difficult to connect with people, because the time difference, no, in India when it is daytime, here in Canada it's night, so it becomes very difficult. But still, I managed to. You are the first one when I'm connecting to someone.
I- in nowadays I'm not taking session because in village in not ever light available, and morning time means every time I busy I have in my maternal house marriage my sister's wedding, so that's why I'm not connected. to anyone.
Oh,
But
yes.
yes,
Really,
that's
really, it's difficult. It's difficult. I can understand. Yes, yes.
so that's
Okay.
very yeah, you are doing very good, and I am very happy I'm talking with you because I don't know grammar, so I want to learn grammar.
Sure, sure. Any help from my side if you want. I'm ever ready. Now we are connected on Skype as well. So anytime you, it's my pleasure if you want to ask anything. Okay. So that we'll meet
I,
again in future also, and then we'll talk more about grammar, more about our daily routine, isn't it?
okay, yeah,
Okay. What else you want to know from me?
yeah. So like I am learning this language.
Yeah.
So how grammar required to speaking? As you teach, as you know, tell me you are teaching grammar. So I want know.
Yeah. See, very especially as far as fluency concerned, it comes by speaking. No matter how much grammar you know, everything is there in your head until or unless you speak. The
Yes,
fluency doesn't come. Okay. So grammar is very important because to speak any language, even though we Indians speak Hindi, without grammar, we can't speak correct Hindi. We can
yes,
speak Hindi because from the childhood we are listening the same language from everywhere. We are surrounded by Hindi. So
yes,
Hindi very well and we can speak. But are we master in Hindi? No, until or unless we know. Some people say hara mirch, some people say hari mirch, some people say dahi khatta hai, some people say dahi khatti hai. So what is right we must know, isn't it? So the same happens in English. Speaking and conveying something to someone
mm-hmm.
or exchanging our ideas. That's simple, easy. With the broken English also we can convey. But the thing
Yes,
is, if we want to speak really correct English, then I
mm-hmm.
think grammar is required.
Yes,
But the
yes,
foremost, if somebody wants to speak English, I would certainly say that speaking is very important. No matter you
yes,
speak to your child, you speak to your neighbor, or as you are connecting to each other on YouTube channel, that's very important. And to see you actually one day I saw that you were talking to a teacher, probably some male teacher. So I saw your that video and then I thought, let me connect to you. I think it would be good. So
okay,
as about grammar, I think grammar is very important. But yes, initially, first you start speaking.
yes.
That's very step actually.
Want learn grammar. So what should I learn first?
It depends on actually to what level you know. Okay, because you have done your graduation, so till graduation, at least till intermediate, you must have studied English.
Actually, when I sixth standard, that time touch English, and I grown up proper village. I was
Oh,
grown up village, so there is not too much in school. They not focus to study, and
oh,
especially girls education.
oh, I can understand. I can understand that. Yes, but in spite of that, your courage is actually commendable. That you are trying to speak English and you are trying to learn English. That's really
Yes,
very.
thank you so
So
much.
asked
Uh-huh.
me for English that where from you should start your grammar. Yes. So first and foremost, I think you can speak English very well. Yes. So start with parts of a speech. You should understand what is noun, what is pronoun, verb, adverb, adjective, preposition, conjunction, interjection. And then slowly, slowly, you will start knowing about the tenses. Yes.
Okay.
Very especially when we speak, tenses are very important. We should know that what we want to convey and which tense we should formulate or make our sentence actually.
Yeah.
So that's important. So start
Yes.
with that, and then
Okay.
slowly, slowly you will come to know that which area is weak for you. Yes, and in which area you want to focus more.
Course. Yes. Yeah, I won't learn grammar because in future if I teach anyone like uh, in village area and otherwise my kids also I have kids, so sometime not every time I'm teaching I teach my kids, so it's neat, like when I know very well, then when then I teach, so it's good for me and good for my kids also. So that's
That's
why I
really
want,
true.
I know
So
grammar, so fluent. If I know grammar, so I very fast be fluent.
you will learn to speak correct English. And that is true. Your elder son is in which class?
He's third standard. 8 year old he is. Third.
So if you see his books, even if you see his books, especially of English, so you will get to know so many things, and then you will be very easily make out that what you know and which area you need to work a little, and that's how while teaching your child you will get to know many more things.
I learn English from teaching my kids. Uh, you know, for I think yeah, before 4 5 year ago, I not able to read and write. So when I started teaching my kids like basic things, that time I recognize all things. I started learning. So yeah, now my kids is speaking very good English. My elder one is speaking English. He speak good English, and yeah, now I learn from them. And while teaching, I learn everything. I how
Yes,
to
yes.
write everything. Yeah,
Actually, there is no age bar for learning, so we can learn lifelong. Yes,
wrong. Yeah,
everybody is learning. Not only you, not only your kids. till we are here on the earth, we have to learn. Yes,
yeah. When we learn very new, so we feel very happy.
that's true. That's true. Anything new we learn or anything new we do, because in our childhood we did not have social media and mobile and internet and Google and all these things. So we had only one-to-one interaction, and we learned. But now you have so many things to learn. Anything
Yes,
you don't know, immediately you Google and you get to know that what is the answer. But that was not in our time. Yes, you
yes,
can understand 31 years of experience of teaching, then my age you can calculate. Yes. So for you people it's very simple, very easy, and you are doing very well. You will learn very quickly.
yeah. Thank you so much. For which subject do you teach?
Actually, uh, in our school especially, it was mother teaching system. Okay,
Okay,
so I used to teach all the subjects, but yes, English was my main subject.
okay,
Yes. Till class
that's
7th, I used to teach every subject.
okay.
But English,
That's
grammar is especially my main subject. Yeah.
wow. That's very good. you know, whenever I feel anywhere confusion, so I call you.
Oh, sure, sure. It's my pleasure. Anytime. That's what actually I'm thinking, that some voluntary service I should do. Now, whatever I had to do for my career, I have done. So at least something, whatever the life is left, something I can do for the society in the way I can serve society. That's very good.
Yes, yes, sure. Did you have your dinner?
Yeah, yeah, yeah. It's now here 11:38. So my dinner is over. Thanks for asking. Actually, we got late today for dinner. We had gone for bowling, a game called bowling. Okay, so we played there for 1 hour. Then we came back home, prepared dinner, and then after taking dinner only, I was browsing here and there. Then I saw that you have messaged me, and I don't know how come I missed that.
No, in mail, I think not send notification. And
I,
when
I I too think that maybe I missed. I did not see any notification on the mail or on Skype.
Skype send notification.
Okay, okay, okay. The first time I think I'm using also no, Skype, because now WhatsApp, no WhatsApp call. So anywhere in the world you can call on the WhatsApp.
That sub call is very good, but there is not like whenever we record call, so voice not available there.
Yeah, 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 yeah. At times it happens.
Not
It's
so
true.
big voice also very good in Skype. So I
Am
think
I
it's very
now clearly?
uh-huh.
Am I audible? Am I audible clearly? Okay. At
Yeah.
times your voice is cracking and breaking somewhere. Maybe the network issue or somewhere, some problem.
Also here is not a network, not it means everything electricity not so everything is missing.
Okay, okay, no problem, no problem. Then too, you at least you try to call me and connect me. Very nice to talk to you.
I also glad to talk to you.
So very happy
Talk again.
this side also. Because for me, actually, I'm not that techno savvy. Okay. So first time I had to connect on Skype. So that was my greatest fear, whether I'll be able to record or not. I'm not sure whether I have recorded properly or not. If I would have not done it, then I'll ask you to send me the video and both of us can upload it, isn't
Both
it? Yeah.
upload. So when I recorded na, so that video also you get after
Okay.
session. Yeah.
Okay. 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 Because you are into this, because many videos I saw that you have uploaded many videos. I
Yeah,
could not see, unfortunately, all, but yes, some of your videos I saw. It was very good. You are doing great.
yeah.
Keep,
Thank you so much. You
keep
know,
learning.
whenever I talk to anyone, so yeah, I upload that video because it video very helpful to people. Like I also watched like this video, conversation video too much. So I know how to ask question and how to give answer while watching videos. So yeah, it's very good. And
Yeah, yeah.
it's very easy to like whenever in first I upload my own single video, like I made my video, I uploaded there, but nowadays it's very good, I think.
Yeah, yeah. That's good. It's a, in a way it's helpful for others also. Those who are in this learning process, they will also see and they will get benefited by it.
Yeah, because they enjoy me watching video, everyone enjoying. Also I enjoy whenever I watch any video, so I enjoy.
Yes, yes, yes. What actually motivated you to make come on YouTube channel, to make your
Actually,
own channel?
yeah, actually, uh, I want to overcome my fear, and I saw video I watch ladies. So whenever they speak first time, so they hesitate and not able to talk, and after 2 3 4 video they speak very good. So I think it's very good thing. Yeah, I watch video YouTube and try.
Let's to improve English, isn't it? Oh, that's good. That's good.
It's very good thing. I found lot of friend, like I have so many friend, and not only talk to Skype. I take her phone number, and I not made person. I
Yeah.
comfortable to, so I take her phone number and I talk on phone also. So I'm very happy because
Ah,
whenever we want to practice our English, we can talk each other 15 minutes, 13 minutes, we talk each other. So yeah, it's very good thing for me.
yes, it's a good time pass, actually, healthy time pass, we can say. Because in the past, when I was teaching, I was connecting to my students. But now, when the students are not there, so at times I feel that what am I doing? I'm doing nothing, and I'm not into the habit of watching so much of TV. So, how long we can watch TV? But this is a good thing that at least we are busy in doing something, making our videos, doing editing and uploading and this and that. So, somehow we are engaged in a nice
Yeah,
thing.
yeah, we not time to biting each other, like they
You don't have time for doing all that.
that. Yeah, I don't like this thing. And before, like when I didn't do this work, like YouTube work, I also including like stitching. I know very well stitching, so I stitching and I am making for decorating item. Means I am busy person, I not sit idle.
That's good. That's actually, you should make yourself always busy.
Yeah, because when we busy, so we have not the time to think what happened next and what people think about me. Yeah, I don't like this thing. Yeah.